Lucas Davison coming up here against Austin Cooley. All right, here we go. It is Lucas Davison in the red, Austin Cooley in the blue. Cooley from the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Lucas Davison is from the state of Indiana. Single leg there by Davison. Switches it to an underhook. Single leg again, attempt by Davison. Elbow pass there. Single leg there for Cooley. Switches it to a double. Hips. And not yet. Still on a 4-point stance. Lucas Davison in a 4-point stance. Cooley doing just about anything he can to get him down there, but nothing doing. Referee blows it dead. And that is tough wrestling. Passivity called on blue. That'll be his first warning. High crotch there by Cooley. And we're going red passive. So it's a minute and a half in. Each wrestler has been warned for passivity. Nice single leg there by Cooley. Brings it to out the back door position. Davison doing a good job of holding on to those ankles, and now he switches off to a regular old double. Good far ankle defense there by Lucas Davison from Indiana. Far ankle. That is the buzz. And he's got a lace. Yeah, that's going to get tighter. That's going to get tighter. So that makes it 4-0 for Lucas Davison. Nice single leg there by Lucas Davison. Gets snapped down by Cooley. A little bit of a wrist roll there. 30 seconds left. 4-0 for Davison. Seconds left. And that'll do it. 4-0 for Lucas Davison. Single leg now for Cooley. Looks like Lucas Davison has a little bit of a beat on it, and that's 2 for Davison, and we're back in a scramble, and 1 will be rewarded for Cooley, so it's 6-1 now. He'll get to work on top. good hand fighting going on here. Good heavy hands. Single leg now for Cooley. Will, very dangerous. And he's going to try and go again. And yeah, absolutely. That's another 2. So that's 10 to 1.
One more!
And Cooley is hanging on to a leg with 1 minute and 38 seconds left. Double leg for Davison. Push out, does it? Can't get the finish though. Cooley on leg now. He switches positions on it, and that'll do it. He's in the national finals. Is Lucas Davison.